Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. This is your computer online class. Students, today we are going to start our new lesson. Lesson number 4, types of computer. So let's start the lesson. Computers come in a variety of types designed for different purposes with different capabilities and cost. Students, there are different types of computer with respect to size, speed, storage, capacity and cost. Computers are mainly classified into following categories, that are microcomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers and supercomputers. So first we will see microcomputers. It is small in size and less cost. It is designed for personal use and also called as personal computers (PC). It is mainly used in homes, schools, shops and banks. Its examples are Commodore 64 and IBM PC. Next we will see types of microcomputer. There are 4 types of microcomputers. They are desktop, laptop, handheld computers and wearable computers. So first we will see in details desktop computers. It is designed to fit comfortably on top of desks. A desktop computer is usually placed on a desk or a table. It is made up of separate components. The main components called the system unit. Next we will see laptop computers. It is small in size, can be placed on the lap. So it is called laptop computers and it is battery operated and it can be as well as on electricity also. It can be carried easily in a bag or a laptop case. One can use it even while traveling. Next we will see handheld PC. A handheld PC or a palm top computer is called personal digital assistant, means PDA. It is battery powered computer. It is small enough to carry almost anywhere. It is generally used to keep track of appointments and addresses. Next is wearable PC. Wearable computers are such computers that are worn on the body, that we can wear on our body. Some wearable computers are basically desktop or notebook computers that have been scaled down for body wear. A wrist-worn personal computer is an example of wearable computer. Next we will see mainframe computer. So it is very powerful and it is bigger in size with large memory and high speed. It is designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use this computer. It is very expensive and used in large organization for maintenance and account finance. Next we will see mini computer. It is bigger than microcomputers. It is high processing speed and costlier than microcomputers. It is capable to support 4 to 200 users. It is used in banks, universities and any big organization for the maintenance of accounts and finances. Its example is PDP-8. Next is supercomputers. Most powerful computers with huge processing speed. It is used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. And India's Tata ICA is one among the top 10 supercomputers in the world. Its examples are Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, ETA, etc. So students, your lesson is complete here. I will give the question answer in WhatsApp group. So check it and write it down in your copy and complete your copy. Now it's time to say goodbye. So have a good day, children.